Hi, it's Tim Deere again. Today I'm going to show you how to make Moroccan chicken, flame grilled on a barbecue. And so I'll just show you the ingredients that we're going to use. That's some really nice plump chicken thighs. This is going to be very low fat because we're going to take the fat and the skin off those chicken thighs. Beautiful colouring to add that really strong sunshine Mediterranean colour. Some garlic salt, some lemon and some lime, some tomato puree, some squirty garlic, some really colourful, beautiful peppers, which we're going to char grill, and some excellent, the aromatic ground tagine powder. Just buy it pre-ground. Maple syrup for sweetness, salt and pepper, and some fabulous cumin seeds, which we're going to toast lightly so that they create a really nutty flavour that will permeate through the whole of the marinade. Okay, so let me just get on with that for you now and follow me. You need these nice and chunky so that they will work better on the barbecue. Lay that out on the barbecue. So the way to get rid of all the skin, just pull it off there. There's two bits of fat on chicken. You see that piece there and that piece there? Just get rid of those two. Chicken for two, that's a kilo of chicken. Got this underside here which takes up the marinade really well because there's lots of places for it to sort of hide in. Chicken thigh is just amazing because although I'm going to put it on the barbecue and flame grill it for maybe 10, 12, 14 minutes, I'm then going to put it in the oven and let it cook off for another at least 30 minutes on about 180, keeping my eye on it because it never ever ever dries out and it just gets more and more and more delicious as you let it toast off inside. Some maple syrup. So, just heat the pan up. Okay, so they're smoking now, so that's enough. We'll get them off the heat now. Be about half a tablespoon. Good squirt of tomato puree. Probably lime. Orangey yellow food colouring. 3 ground sweeteners. You just brush them on like that. Allow them to just char. It's not fattening. So the marinade's been on for a couple of hours. This is ready for the barbecue. Don't forget all of this, once it's been char grilled, goes in a hot oven, half an hour until everything's soft and beautiful. Follow me. A little bit of spray light on each side. These are all going in the oven now. I just thought I'd give you a nice close look at them.